It's time now to take a closer look at the market's activity over in Zambia. We're doing that this morning with Jean Tembo, who's Business Development Manager at the LuSE. Jean, thanks so much for joining us on the line this morning. Let's get us straight into a look at the market activity that came through yesterday. We had the market rising 1.5%, the index hitting just over 4,019 points. What have you made of that activity? What's been driving that upward momentum?
Like you've mentioned, the market was 1.5% up. This was as a result of gains recorded in Lafarge, Bata, Standard Chartered Bank, Zambian, and Seckam. On Monday, it closed down by 0.32% at 4,006.97 points. Year to date, the index is up by 7.10% in quarter 10.
So we've got positivity for the most part taking hold of the markets for this year, Jean, and from the companies you've highlighted, it seems that it's interest being shown across the board. Is that so? Are you seeing across the board interest driving markets here, no matter what sector these companies operate in?
I think what's been driving these positive movements is that we've had final results being announced recently, and so far Lafarge, Puma, British American Tobacco, Real Estate Zambia, and Standard Chartered Bank, as well as Bata, have announced their final results. Then last month in February, CEC announced acquisition of 60% interest in the Abuja Electricity Distribution Company.
Let's take a closer look at CEC, that being, of course, Copperbelt Energy Corporation, because it intends to undertake a road rehabilitation program as well. And that, one of the projects, it's at an estimated cost of about 3 million kwacha, or 3 billion kwacha rather. What do you make of that strategy right now, and the kind of investments and capex spend that CEC is embarking with?
CEC is currently doing a number of expansion projects, and I think this is in line with their strategies.
Okay.
To expand the company, yeah.
So a positive sentiment. Would you be a buyer in CEC right now?
Not to sway the market, but I think I would be, because the price has moved from the trading range of between 600 and 700 to over 800 kwacha. If you're looking at the rebased price, that should be 0.83 ngwe.
Well, Jean, let's leave it there. Thanks so much for having joined us on the line this morning. Jean Tembo is Business Development Manager over at the LuSE.